Okay, this is the video of the tour of the cozy resort. So these are the rooms. They got pool and everything. There's a balcony. Just like this. So from balcony it's the room. That's the washroom. That's the wardrobe. Okay. So this is how it is from the outside. We are on third floor. So this is the view from the third floor. So here we go. Similarly, it is from the other side. The rooms and everything. I think everything is same. The structures and everything. It's a nice structure. Very simple. Not very fancy. The staircase, everything. They've got even got a lift. A transparent lift. So this is the view. Let's take you the top floor. Hey, good morning. So I'm taking you to the terrace. It's on the 5th floor. This is how it is on the top floor. Everything. Then they have a rooftop terrace. Yeah. Breakfast area. So let me show you the view from the other end. Wow. Maybe from barbecue or partying or something like that. This is the view from the other end. All buildings and everything. Let's take you to the sign. So that's the other terrace where they cook. Very much greenery around here. They even got a small gym and a sauna room. This is the only drawback with this resort. It's 2.2 kilometers away from the walking street. So if you plan to walk to the walking street and everything and coming back to and fro, it's too much. So this is their gym. There's an attached toilet as well. You same. And this is their sauna room. This is this. So we are leaving this resort today and we are moving to a smaller place closer to the walking street. That is more crowded, more happening, and the best place I think, and it's cheap also. You will have a lot of options and it's close to the beach. So every morning or in the evening, me and my friend go for a jog or walk and enjoy the nightlife. So that is why we are leaving. So this is now I'm walking down. So it's very quiet and peaceful. If you're with the family and looking for a place with no disturbance, all the amenities and everything, I think this is the right place. And the cleanliness is really good. Staffs are really very friendly. So that's it. Again, I'm giving like about 4 stars to the cozy resort. 1 star I'm cutting because it's a little bit far from walking street, but we like desire. So bye. View of the resort from the pool. This is their restaurant. And this is
ये हम दूसरा रूम देखने के लिए आए. लेट्स सी हाउ इट लुक्स. सीढ़ियाँ तो काफ़ी ऊंचा है, देखो. एंड रूम की रास्ता इस तरह. गेस्ट हाउस की तरह.
like on what 700 baht. And this was street here.
देखो हम वापस नीचे जा रहे हैं. सीढ़ियाँ देखो एकदम ज़बरदस्त है. ओह माय गॉड. वैसे फर्स्ट फ्लोर है. आपको दिखेगा रेस्टोरेंट. ये रेस्टोरेंट. So this is the exit. Yes,
Oh, ninja, everything is on rent.
say hi.
Hey! You are going that side? Right?
Yeah, that will take right. This street.
Okay. Let's walk.